I completed my B.TECH in the year of 2025 from the College of CMR Engineering College and Technology in the year of 2025 with the stream of Computer Science Engineering with Data Science. I joined Jspiders in the month of 2025 December with Java full stack development. Core Java taught by Rick sir, Web.TECH by Geeta ma'am, and SQL by Harsha sir, Advanced Java by Ravi sir, which we have regular mock, every week mock and presentation skills as well as aptitude classes and grooming sections also. Every week mock interviews help me a lot by giving ratings which they help me to overcome the drawbacks and perform best in the interviews, and grooming which was given by Ravi sir, Harsha sir and Rick sir also, and presentation skills will help my boost level confidence which I can overcome my interview faced questions. I got placed because of Jspiders. Thank you.